Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM. In this video, we're looking at the October 2020 release of OpenBOM for Onshape, and I want to specifically address if you are using OpenBOM bills of material in Onshape drawings. So I want to pick up kind of where I left off in a previous video. We've now kind of updated, we pulled an existing bill of material. You know, let's say in July, August, September, you built some OpenBOM bills of material, you built a drawing in Onshape, and you put a BOM on the face of the drawing. Okay, that's all good. Now you've come to the new release of OpenBOM for Onshape. You've opened the flyout. You got your bill of material in here, and you watched the last video. And I said, hey, you might as well go delete this old tab down here. No problem. You can go ahead and do that. We learned that they are the same. That they're the same BOM. But you're going to get this message now that says deleting this tab will result in another tab going bad. What Onshape is trying to tell you here is that you're deleting a tab that has some content that's being used on the drawing. All right, let's say for the moment that you go ahead and you ignore that and you go ahead and delete it. All right, so and then you come back to your drawing and you try to do an update, and you're going to get a message that says something's wrong with some tab. It's not too informative, but what it's saying is that Onshape can't find the old OpenBOM tab data. We store the drawing and the information for the drawing right now in the tab data. So you're kind of feeling like, oh man, what have I done? I've deleted this tab. My drawing is broken. Steve said to move to the new flyout, but I'm in this pinch. Well, all that we need to do is just regenerate the tab. So the OpenBOM release in October is completely backward compatible. So even though I'm looking at the BOM and the flyout, I use the new flyout UI, I can simply go back to the plus sign and say, add a new BOM. Now, ignore that mine says stage there. I'm going to say, add a BOM. I'm going to pick the tab that I created my original bill of material from, and I'm going to say create BOM. Really, all that we're doing here is we're kind of rewiring that BOM, that OpenBOM bill of material back to the old Onshape tab so the Onshape drawing can find it. I know that was a lot of information, but I'll go over again real quickly here. Okay, so we just rebuilt the OpenBOM tab. We come back to the drawing, and if we've deleted the old one, we can insert a new one. If we haven't deleted it, you can update it without getting that message. So here we go, and we can see that this is our nice new OpenBOM bill of material. I got the new part number here. So, okay, so let me just cover that real quick again. What happens? I'm in the new flyout. Maybe I've deleted my old OpenBOM tab. It turns out that was a mistake because that was being used on a drawing. Simply come back over here, add application, OpenBOM, generate the tab again, return to your drawing, click update, or reinsert the BOM, and you'll get the BOM back on the drawing. So I hope you find that useful. If you have any trouble at all, of course, shoot me a message at support@openbom.com. Thanks.